Abdominal exercises in smooth pregnancy. Are you scared of doing abdominal exercises when you're pregnant? Also, do you think doing these exercises will increase your risk of splitting those abdominal muscles? Well, the answer is no. Watch this video carefully. Not doing these exercises can cause weakness and deconditioning of these muscles, leading to other issues down the line. As a general rule, if you're strong, active before pregnancy and doing core strengthening exercises and you know to activate your abdominal muscles, well, then you should be able to continue to practice and do these exercises. For someone who has not done exercises before, avoid heavy lifting, deep twisting, straightening sit-ups. Doing abdominal exercises will reduce your lower back pain, pelvic pain. It helps you to maintain good posture, strengthen endurance, improve circulation, digestion, relieves constipation, helps in faster postpartum recovery, reduces the risk of diastasis recti. I cannot stop emphasizing on how good and important are abdominal exercises. Stay fit, healthy and informed. Take care.